When Pete's mom passed away, she left behind this sweet little tablecloth and this napkin over here. And both had these kind of orangey stains on. There's another one over here. And the tablecloth also had some holes in, especially on the corners. It had developed holes. So I've taken the napkin and I've added a layer of chaotic prints over it to cover the yellow marks with the chaotic printing that I've put over the top. The yellow marks almost look like they're on purpose, and they do match up with the yellow stitching that's on the napkin. And then I stitched it onto the bigger hole in the tablecloth, and I've then added some patches of navy blue tie-dyed fabric over some of the other holes and some of the other unsightly marks that I've just borrow stitched on. You can see I've done some borrow stitching in straight rows to just secure them down nicely. I've tucked the edges under so that they don't fray, and I thought that the frayed look might not look so nice on this particular piece. So that's how I finished it, and we can continue using it in our home and think of Pete's mom every time we use it.